You are going to love the 2022 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power sunroof, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.